Today, I will sign a series of historic executive orders. With these actions, we will begin the complete restoration of America and the revolution of common sense. It's all about common sense. First, I will declare a national emergency at our southern border.
Restoration. Restoration.
And the restoration of order throughout all our territories.
Finally, restoration of public confidence in the police department can only be achieved.
Hello. Is this the hair restoration clinic?
Restoration. Restoration.